Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Photoshop and immediately choose the brush tool. This is essential because brushes paint with the foreground color. Once selected, click the foreground color swatch to open the color picker and pick the exact hue you need. This sets the brush color globally. Make sure opacity and flow are sensible for the effect you want, because those control how the chosen color lays down. Also confirm the correct brush preset and size so your first strokes match the intended result. Now you refine the color so it behaves predictably while painting. Click the color picker to type a HEX or numeric RGB value for precision, or use swatches when you need brand consistency. If you need a sampled tone from the image, hold Alt and click on the canvas to pick that color with the eyedropper. This changes your foreground instantly. Make sure you adjust saturation and brightness in the color panel so the painted strokes integrate with the composition and lighting. Finally, paint using the newly set foreground color and evaluate the result. If it looks off, change brush opacity or layer blending mode until it matches. Once done, use layer masks or lock transparency to control where the color applies without altering other pixels. If you find the brush color isn't changing, make sure you're on a normal pixel layer, not an adjustment or shape layer, and that the layer isn't locked. Also check that mode is set to normal, and opacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.